From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. Here's our 12th named storm. This is Tropical Storm Lorenzo, currently forecast not to become a hurricane, although it does get a little bit stronger there towards the end of the work week, and it's going to stay away from the continental United States. As we mentioned, 12 named storms so far this season, 4 hurricanes, 3 major hurricanes. There is a list. Here are all the tracks for the 2025 season, at least so far, and we have not had a hurricane make landfall on the continental United States, at least as of yet. We're going to keep our fingers crossed that will be the case. It'd be the first time since 2015 that we haven't had a hurricane make landfall in the continental United States. Activity typically continues to drop as we move through the rest of October, and as we just mentioned, hopefully that will be the case. 64 degrees on Saturday, 68 on Sunday, so it was kind of a cloudy, rainy, and cool weekend. Picked up 11/100ths of an inch of rainfall on Saturday, 87/100ths of an inch on Sunday. Certainly good news for our drought situation. Currently, South Carolina is experiencing about 93% of us, at least some form of drought. If you notice here in this kind of orange tannish area, that would be severe drought, and that does include at least parts of Orangeburg County. Pollen still a problem for some of us, grasses and ragweed, causing those seasonal allergy issues. Today, clouds will decrease, highs in the middle to upper 70s. Our average high 78, average low is 54. Records will be safe 34 and 90. Sunrise was at 7:28, sunset at 6:53. As we do move through the rest of your day, we'll get a little bit of sun. We'll have those winds generally coming out of the north, about 5, maybe 10 miles per hour, and then we'll enjoy a good bit of sunshine on Tuesday. It's going to stay dry for the rest of the work week, and temperatures will be pretty close to average to maybe a few degrees above average for tomorrow. And then as we look ahead towards Wednesday, some cooler air does move in for the last couple of days of the work week. As we look ahead in our European forecast model showing those dry conditions, this would be Friday. Here we go towards the weekend, maybe a cloud or two, but not expecting any rainfall until maybe Sunday as our next weather maker does approach the area. But wouldn't expect a ton of rainfall at this point. Weather Prediction Center is not expecting any for basically the Midlands, with small amounts over towards the coastal region and small amounts in the upstate. High temperatures today. We'll go mid to maybe upper 70s, especially for the western half of the Midlands, as those clouds should start to decrease earlier in the day for the western part of the Palmetto State. Near 80 tomorrow, upper 70s to near 80 on Wednesday, mid 70s for Thursday and Friday, and then looking ahead towards the weekend, near 80 degrees both weekend days with that small chance of rain on Sunday. Myrtle Beach forecast looking pretty good, with rain kind of moving out today and then staying dry for the rest of the work week. A few clouds in Charleston of the day, but rest of the work week looking dry, and maybe a little bit of rain in Greenville on Sunday. Saturday, expecting a high of about 80 degrees. Warmer than normal conditions, October 20th through October 26th. Slight chance for wetter than normal conditions during that same time frame. You can always follow me on these social media outlets. Have a great work week.